Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss about the binary tree traversal. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe for more engineering related topics. So in binary tree traversal, we will be traversing through three methods. The first method will be called as in-order traversal. So the first one is in-order traversal. Second one will be pre-order traversal. And the third will be post-order traversal. So during the exam, they will ask all of these three in a single question. So how to write? So the short trick is in-order traversal, first we will write the left node, next we will write the root node, next we will write the right node. Left, root, right. Next in pre-order, we will write root first, next left, next right. Root, left, right. In post-order traversal, first we will write left, next we will write right, next we will write root. Left, root, right, root, left, right, root, like this. So if you remember this short trick, you can solve the problem easily. First, for this given graph, let's consider the root as A. Let's consider A as the root and start the problem. First, let's write the in-order traversal. So while writing the in-order traversal, what is the formula we are using? Left, root, right. First see the tree, come towards the left, B. So go towards the left, after B there is no left node. After B there is no left node. So what I must do? Left node is not there. Next what is there? Root. So this left node is not there. So I must consider B as the root and first write B. Next what I must write? I must write the right. That is right. What is the node right side? D. So now this much is over. This full will be considered as the left node for this one. This whole will be considered as left node for this one. Now again apply. First left. Left is already written. Next root. What is the value of root? A. So this is the root value. So root value is over. Now right I must write, but this full, at this right side there is sub branches, that is sub trees. So what I will do, I will consider this separate full as the right, but now for an instance I will separate this full subtree, that is right subtree, separately. Now if I apply for this right subtree separately, first I must go to the left, again to the left, again left is there? No, G is the last. So I will write G because it is left. Left after I must write the root. So its root is E. Then there is no right node for E. So this whole will be considered as the left for this C node. So left is over. Now I must write root. Root value is C because left is already written, G and E. Next left is over and this root is over. Now only right is left. So while constructing the right side, this is having the subtrees. So what I will do? I will consider this separately as a separate subtree. I will consider this as the separate tree. Now first is left. This left is H. Next root. Root value is F. Next right. Right value is I. So this complete tree is completed now. So left values are there? Yes. B and D is there. Root value is there? Yes. A value is there. Next right value. So what are the right value? G value is there. E value is there. C value is there. H value is there. F value is there. I value is there. If you see left, in left side B and D were there. First we wrote left. Next A was the root. Next G, E, C, H, F, I. All were the right side. So left, root, right. Now we completed the in-order traversal. Now let's do the pre-order traversal. Now let's consider the same tree. So I have drawn the diagrams. So I will be taking the new one for drawing for the pre-order traversal. So the second one will be pre-order. How to write the pre-order? What is the formula? First write the root value, then left, then right. If I consider A as the root value, so first we must write the root value. Root value is A. So for this root, this full will be considered as the left and this full will be considered as the right. So before writing left, we must consider this full left side as an separate tree. If we consider this as separate tree, what we must write? First we must write the root value. What is the root value? B. Next we must write the left value. There is no left for the B. So what I will write? Next right. What is the right child of B? That is D. So write D. Now the left side is over and the root is over. Root is over and the left is over. Only right side is remaining. So while considering the right side for this root, that is A, I will consider this as a separate tree. If I consider separate tree, what is the root value? Root value is C. So this is the root value for this separate tree. C is the root. Now I must write the left. So for this root, this whole will be considered as the left tree. So for this left tree, what I must apply? Root left right. Root value is E. Root value is E and left value is G. Then right value. For this E there is no right value, so I will leave it here. For this root, that is C, this will be considered as the right. So this is also having subtrees. So what I will do? This will be considered as the root in this separate tree. F is the root. So write F. Next left is H. Next right is I. So if you see, what is the formula? First write the root. What is the root? A. Next write the left. What are the values in the left? B and D. So B and D are the left. Next write the right side. So what are the values in right? C, E, G, F, H, I. So right side is done. Now we completed the pre-order traversal of the given question. Now let's write the post-order traversal. Now let's consider the tree again. We will be writing the post-order traversal. So to write the post-order traversal, what is the formula? First you must go to the left node, next right node, next root node. So if you consider A as the root node, first you must go where? Left node. So left I am coming, B is there. So to the left of B, nothing is there. So what I will do? I will stop here. There is no left node for B. So the root will be B and the right will be D. So what I must write? Left is not there. I must write the right side. That is D. Next I must write root value. Root value is B. Now this whole will be considered as the left for this root value A. So this is root, this is left. What we should write first? Left is already written. Now I must write the right side. So for this root value A, this whole will be considered as the right. So this right subtree will be separately considered. I said consider it as separate tree and then the problem will be much easier. For this one, this will act as a root. First come left side because left right root. Left side you come, again come left side. G is there. After G nothing is there. So first write G because it is in the left. Next for G, E will be the root node. There is no right, so don't write. Next after right, what you must write? Root value. For G, root value is E. Next this whole will be considered as the left for this root value C. So left is over. I must write the right side of this root value C. So this is a subtree. I will consider it as a separate tree. Now this will act as root. This is left. This is right. So first I must write the left value, that is H. Next I will write right value I. Next I will write the root value, that is F. So this is the left and this is right for the root value C. Left is written, right is written. Root value C is not written. So I will write the C value as the root. Now for this A, that is the root node, main root node, this whole will be considered as the left, that is B and D. B and D is the left. And this whole, that is G, E, H, I, F and C. This whole will be the right. G, E, H, I, FC. This is all is the right side. Next I must write the root. So what is the root value? A. So A is the root value. So simply separate the trees and then you can solve the problem easily. Hope you understood the concept of the binary tree traversal, that is Inorder, preorder and postorder. If you have any doubt, please comment below. If you like the video, please subscribe for more engineering related topics. Thank you.